1.4b. A gardener is going to put up 124 meters of fence around a rectangular plot of land. If the area to be enclosed is at least 880 meters, at least 880 meters, find the maximum height of the plot. Okay, so you see, this time we'll have this kind of terms or words. That means inequalities. Okay, so 124 meters. Okay, this one around a rectangular plot of land. So that means you now have a rectangle. You can roughly to draw it like this. And maybe you let the one you need to find out, let the length of the plot be L meters because it's a length. Then area, enclose the area at least 880 meters. So can you write the width in terms of L? How about the width? This one is L meters. And what is 124? Yeah, actually, it's the perimeters. Good. So width is 124 divided by 2 and then minus L. You can think it like this. That means this one equals 62 minus L meters. Then what is the area? This time you can write the area in terms of L, correct? So what is the area of the plot of land? Equals L times 62 minus L meters square. Then you think, this kind of question is it you have learned it before? That time, maybe we use the quadratic equation to help us. Maybe say that the quadratic function to help us. And then rewrite this one as HK form. Remember? And this one as the maximum or minimum value. Do you remember? Correct. That is the one of the method to help us to solve this practical question. This time, we focus in quadratic inequalities. So let's see. L 662 minus L. This one is area, at least 880 meters. At least. That means, okay, which inequality symbol? Correct. At least. That means equals and also greater than. Right? Now you can solve it. 62L minus L squared greater or equals 880. Right? Or maybe I write it all in one side. Minus 880 greater than or equals to 0. However, we want to have a positive coefficient of L squared. So all times -1. So it becomes this one, right? And the inequality size you need to change. Remember? Correct. Very good. Then afterward, can you factorize this one? Not difficult. You can use your calculator or factorize by yourself. And you see that this one 22 and 40. Minus 22 and then minus 40. So 22 and 40 are two intercepts, right? This time, two factors, positive coefficient of x squared, and smaller than 0 means in between two values. So L in between 22 to 40, right? So at the end, the maximum length The question asks you to find the maximum length of the plot. So this one is 40. What is the units? Correct. Meters out. Yeah, correct. 40 meters. Understand? So study the question and then write or draw some graphs to help you understand clearly. And now we need to find the length. So I let it be L, and then area is the information that you need to satisfy. So L for length. Width you need to write in terms of L, and then later on area in terms of L. So you can set up the inequalities now, and afterward find the solution of the quadratic inequalities and answer the question. That's the conclusion. Clear?